Hello and welcome back to aMATHretic. Today we will be focusing on finding inverse functions algebraically and verifying them through function composition. When finding inverse functions algebraically, we simply have to switch the x and the y and then simplify to what y is equal to. This works because we are reversing the process that occurs in the original function. If we were to write out a function like this, and then adjust so it has a y, all we would have to do in order to solve for the inverse of the function would be to switch the x and the y, then solve for y. In order to check and make sure the inverse function is in fact the real inverse of the original function, we can use graphs or tables. Take the function f of x equals 3x minus 6. If we graph the function on this graph, it will look like this. Once we solve for the inverse function as explained above and graph it, if the inverted function is the same as the original function, but with the axes switched, then it is in fact an inverse. As long as all steps are followed in reverse, you can find the inverse of any function. Thank you. See you next time. Hello and welcome back to